Daily, a new video at 6 a.m. Eastern. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to your YouTube channel where your request and our solutions meet. It has been there absolutely free for last 15 years. Thanks to all the subscribers for active participation. Here is a very simple and beautiful question for you. Find the missing digits x and y in the sum 5x plus 2y equals to 73. How many possible solutions can you get? So, the question here is that we need to figure out the value of x and y, where when we add 5x and 2y, we get 73. Now, for convenience, we will, since we are used to seeing addition in this form, 5x plus 2y, and what we get here is 73. Well, 7 is clear that 7 is because of 5 and 2. So that part is absolutely clear. But how do we get 3? And that gives you multiple values for x and y, right? So let's look into this option of x and y giving us 3. So what we can do here is that we can take some values of x and y, correct? So, and then check what values could give us 3. So let me write in this table x values and y values, and we want x plus y equals to 3. That is how we are going to get all our options. Well, one way is we can begin with 0. And we know 0 plus 3 is 3, so that becomes one way, right? So in this case, x equals to 0 and y equals to 3. That helps. X can be 1, y will be 2. That also helps. So x equals to 1 and y equals to 2. X could be 3. In that case, y is 0. So we have three possible solutions, correct? So these are the three set of values which will satisfy the given equation. And this is a very systematic way of approaching the equation. Idea is learning how do we solve such questions where things are missing in between. I hope that concept is clear. We'll take build on this and take further slightly challenging questions. Here is the one for you. Try the concepts learned and find x and y in this particular case. I hope you find my videos interesting and useful. Feel free to write your comment, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your valuable time and all the best.